Have you ever wondered how your brain talks to your body? Oh, it's a really, really cool thing. Your brain uses this thing called the spinal cord. So it's covered by this thing called the spine, which is made of a bunch of vertebrae that are hard and bony, and they help to conduct the signals back and forth to the brain. They move, which helps to organize all the signals that are coming from the nerves that go into organs and glands like your heart, and your stomach, and your lungs, and your thyroid gland, and all kinds of places. Input to your brain is determining then the output. It's like a conversation. Sometimes things happen that cause us to get subluxations on our spine, which are misalignments coupled with fixation that result in interference between communication for the brain and the body. Chiropractors do these things called adjustments that restore alignment and motion back to the brain, reducing and eliminating interference. And you know what that means? No subluxations equal no interference, and of course, better health. And when we feel better, and our brain is not interfered with, we're of course happier.